How to add product to Shopify from AliExpress. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through the complete step-by-step process on how you can add products to your Shopify store. Now, whether you're just starting out with dropshipping or looking for a more efficient way to manage suppliers and product imports, this tutorial will guide you through everything you need to know about this topic right here. Now, in today's tutorial, we are going to use a method called DSers, or it is an application that you can go ahead and install on your Shopify store. Now, DSers is the official AliExpress dropshipping partner app for Shopify. It replaces Oberlo and allows you to import products from AliExpress with just a few clicks to fulfill orders, bulk, and manage multiple suppliers efficiently. Basically, it saves time, reduces error, and makes your dropshipping business scalable. Now with this method right here, we won't be able to simply do the heavy lifting. All we have to do is to click on a button and we will be able to import products from AliExpress through our Shopify store right here. That's how easy it is. And so before we get started, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below. So make sure to check it out. And so the first thing that you want to do is to simply look for a product here on the on the AliExpress website. And let's go ahead and say that I want to buy something like this specific shades right here. Now, what you can do inside this page is to simply remember the listing of this specific product. Now, you then want to head over to your Shopify store right here. Once inside the store, once again, or as I've previously mentioned on the introduction, we are going to use a Shopify application. And so we can simply install an application by heading over into the Add Apps button right here. And you then want to click on the Shopify App Store. Now, if you cannot go ahead and locate this button, you can just go ahead and grab it inside the settings of your Shopify store. Click on Apps and Sales Channel. And from here, you then want to click on the Shopify App Store. It will take us to the Shopify App Store right here, where we can simply install a lot of applications to integrate with our store. So in here, we just want to search for DSers. Once again, this is the official AliExpress application for Shopify. Inside, you just want to click on the DSers button, click on the install, and from there, we then have to authorize the installation into our Shopify store. So let's just wait for the page to load in, and inside, just click on the install button. Now you want to make sure that, or you have to know that this application needs access to your personal data and other store data. So you have to keep that in mind. From here, you then want to click on the create an account for yourself. And simply inside, we then have the ability to go ahead and choose our subscription plan. Now, we can compare the features for each subscription plan on the page right here. So you have your enterprise level, you have pro and advanced. It's going to be $20 per month, $50 per month, and lastly $500 per month. Now in this example, we are going to use the free or basic plan right here. So let's just navigate by clicking on the Get Started button. And right after that, we then have to link to the suppliers. From here, you then have to select the option below to connect to your suppliers. In our case, it's going to be AliExpress. Click on the login button if you already have an account on AliExpress, or you can just click on register if you don't have one yet. In my case, I'm going to be using my Google account in order to sign in into the AliExpress website right here. So you just want to go ahead and finish the login process, and right after that, we then have successfully logged in into AliExpress. So you then want to click on authorize once more. You will then see the page right here. Now, if you got this message that your AliExpress account binding was unsuccessful, you just want to go ahead and click on the back button, and all you have to do is to simply retry the process right here. So since I already have my account, I could just click on the login button and it should be able to basically link with my AliExpress account without any issues. So once again, you just want to go ahead and remember the product that you want to go ahead and import into your Shopify store. in my case, we are going to be using this sunglasses right here. I'll go ahead and copy the name of this specific sunglasses, wait for the integration to finish loading, and simply right after that, you then have to click on the authorize button once more, and it will take us to the DSers page right here where we can go ahead and start importing our products to Shopify. And if the DSers application took you out of their application, you can just navigate through the settings of your Shopify store right here. Click on the apps and sales channel, and inside, you then want to click on the DSers AliExpress Dropshipping. Click on the open app, and it will take us to our dashboard once more, where we can now start the process of integrating AliExpress through our Shopify store. So in here, just click on the find products option, and it will take us to a similar page of AliExpress where we can now choose the item that we want to import into our store. Now, in my case, I'm going to be pasting the product that I want to import, which is this one, into the DSers application right here. And right after, it will take us to the page where we can now import the item. As you can see, we then have a similar item right here from the AliExpress store. So in my case, I'm going to be importing this specific product. Let's also go ahead and try this one. And right after that, we will then be taken to the AliExpress page where you can now check everything from the specifications, the reviews, descriptions, and more. So to go ahead and import these items, you just want to click on the add to import list, choose your language, and from there you then have to click on confirm. I'll go ahead and click on stay because we are going to add additional item, which is this one. And for our last item, let's select this item right here. And so to proceed, you then want to click on the check button. It will take us to the import list of the DSers application. Now in here, you can then go ahead and check the items that you want to edit. Click on the bulk edit product. And from here, you then have to go ahead and edit the product title and more. So you have your product title, you have your description, you have your organization, the product cost, and the stock for the item. So everything will be imported right here. You also want to make sure that you're importing into the right Shopify store right here. And so right after that, you then want to click on the save and push button. Right after, we can then go ahead and see the pushing details. So this is all of our products. This is the product cost, shipping, and the shipping method. Now you can edit the pricing once inside your Shopify store. In here, you can also edit out the preference, for example, continue selling when out of stock, set product status as draft, and more. But in my case, I'm just going to click on the push to stores button. And so with that, it will be able to go ahead and import products from AliExpress into our store right here. So if we navigate back to Shopify, click on products, we can then go ahead and see all of our products from the DSers application. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.